Okay, unfortunately, I had to move everything out to the garage. I started to strip the windows to get almost all of the paint off. If you can see the close-up, there's some remnants on there, but most of it's pigment that's left in there from the paint that's been sanded, even in some cases with 80 grit paper. Like I said, there's 3 or 4 different kinds of wood. So I've got the 4 doors out here, and I'm starting with the doors over here that have to be stripped down. And this is 2 coats of stripper, and that black enamel is still on there. So gonna hit it with mineral spirits again, just to break up the solvent. And I'm gonna give it one more treatment on these 4 doors that I have, and then bring the base and the top of the cabinet out to the garage, because it's just not gonna work in place with the stripper. So the only thing I can say is it's a good product, but what I will say about it is, like anything else, the all-natural stuff, the low odor, doesn't work very well compared to the real stuff, and give me the real stuff every time. So out here I can use any kind of offensive chemicals I want. So I'm going to get real stripper and get this thing taken care of so I can move on, because the 1920 house is going to be closing on the 15th, and that project is going to take up a lot of my time. And then hopefully we're back to work by the end of April, and then I'm hoping that that takes up a lot of my time. So anyway, we'll have another video for you tomorrow.